Should say I'm live sooner or later. Um, I am extending this registration to include address and bank information. That is what I'm doing. So the way that works is there's a registration right here, the registration page. And I probably want to call this registration general page, maybe. So register general. Maybe something like that. Okay. So this register general page sooner or later is going to go to register address page. Register address page. Going to, we no longer care about the first name, last name, and all that stuff. It's still pending, but we got the general information right here, right? Application ID all the way to email. So technically we shouldn't need that. All that was done in general. But what we will need is this address is really it would be what is this over here? Hold up. All right, so on submitted, I feel like this should really be an applicant. Uh, let me see. So, hey, observer. All right. So, how does this work? It's not even pending review yet, technically, because we haven't actually filled out the entire registration form. It should really just be an applicant. So on submitted is what? Is it really pending review or is it pending general review? But it's not pending review at all because it's not completed, right? So if we go over here, we set the applicant right here. Okay. So maybe over here, I'm thinking that this should probably just be applicant, something like that. Um, Even though it's already a global instance. So if we do that, kind of have this right here. And apparently, applicant, what's wrong with this? Applicant, how is this not the same word? I'm confused. Yeah, it's address. Can I use local variable applicant before it's declared? It's declared right here, dude. What are you talking about? Oh, because it's over here. That's why. Okay. Okay. So we save that. We reset our global applicant, and then we say register bank. So this view model right here needs to be a, all right, so I don't know what that is. This is new. Okay. You look at registration here. What's weird is 104 lines of code, and my F sharp is 2,000 something lines of code, and C sharp. So this will be called register general. Like that. That's interesting. Um, that's not right. Where's it should be this over here, right? It should be this. That. Okay. So then when we want to register the address, it's probably going to be a completely different view model. Like that. And when we want to register the bank account, it's the same thing. We would get rid of all this. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. You already have an applicant. Something like that. Something like that. Something like that. Something like that, right? So this would be register bank, which we don't have yet. Oh, there is space in here. Register bank, which we don't have yet. This one was supposed to be register address. Okay. So if we go to our F#, theoretically, we could just copy this right now. Change it to register address. Probably move it down some. This register address. Change right here. Okay. And I mean, a lot of this stuff is going to change. But for right now, copy that. And then we'll add a register bank. Register bank. Bank. Like that. So that stuff should now be recognized. I mean, I didn't modify the properties. So in the code behind, there's still going to be some issues, but this should at least get resolved up here by the compiler. Does it? Yeah, so that gets resolved. If we go back to register address, there's some things we're going to have, like, it's going to be like address 1. This would be, I don't know how to spell that. Address 2. Address 1Ds or 2Ds? Yeah, it's 2Ds, okay. And then you would have your city. And then you have your state. Something like that. Confirmed is email. We don't have to worry about that. Okay. So it will look something like that. And then you got to change this. First name is address 1. Last, shoot. Hold up. I'm sure that probably got butchered. No, I didn't. All right. Yeah, I did. That's a bug in Visual Studio. Hold up. Address 1. Can I do it like this? You notice how it, look at what it does. All right, whatever. Address 1. Okay. I'll put the whole thing over here. The last name is address 2. Okay. Phone is going to be city. Okay. And there's supposed to be a zip here, or postal. Postal. Here, like that. Address 1, address 2, postal, which doesn't exist, state. Um, Postal is really at the end though, right? But at the end. So you, my friend, you should be state. You should be postal. Like that. I just want address 2, state. It's supposed to be city state, right? Come here. X dot city, like that. Um, and then postal. So what is this? We don't need this anymore. Oh, come here. Oh, maybe we do. Hold up. No, we don't. Okay, that right there. Now what? We need a. We gotta update that later. Address 1, address 2, city. This is state right here. Say state right here. And then this needs to be postal. Here. Postal. Postal. I feel like I'm missing something. Address 1, address 2, city, state, postal. Why do I feel like I'm missing something? This applicant, we are passing applicant back. We just want to say applicant submitted trigger. We just want to do this. Okay. So this needs to actually have an applicant. That. And I just want address 2, city, state, postal. Yeah, I don't think I need this. Okay. So then when you say submit, name equals applicant dot first name. You can say $, and then using string interpolation, you can say applicant first name, last name, like that. And then we can say address 1 is x dot address 1. And then address 2 is x dot address 2. And then city is x dot city. Periodically check my stuff. And then state is x dot state. And postal is x dot postal pistol postal. Okay. we're not doing bank account in here, so we're not going to do that. And so then you have this applicant like that. Got that. And then bank account, we haven't defined yet. Did I have bank account in here? Yeah, that was bank account right there, right? Okay. So bank account isn't defined yet. That's on our to-do. And we call submit, but it says submit has an issue. Async unit. Oh, okay, yeah. Okay. So we finished kind of the register address part, and the next one is the register bank. What does that sound? Have I gotten? No, it's only been 20 minutes. Register bank. I don't have enough time to do this right now, but it's going to be bank name, holder name, routing number, account number. So it'll be bank name, holder name. What else did we say? But it's like routing, account number, something like that. Routing number, account number. Routing number, account number. Okay. That right there. All right. So now what? We don't care about. Oh yeah, we gotta say applicant up here, right? So we'll say applicant. Say applicant. Something like that. So your applicant is this right here. Applicant dot. No, it's the same thing. Uh. Mm, mm. It's actually two of these, right? You would think, no, F that. Hold up. I don't have to do this. It should be an applicant dot address already on here. Yeah, it's applicant dot address already on here. All right, cool. What's the bank account thing that we're doing? So remember, it's bank name, holder name, routing number, account number. I don't know what this is. What just happened? Bank name, account, bank name, holder name, routing number, account number. Okay. Uh, uh, Let me do that. Something like that. Bank name, holder name, something like that. And then this is routing, routing number, and then account number. It's this right here. Okay. Okay. Should be it. So then they want the applicant. We should just say applicant dot x dot bank name, x dot holder name, x dot routing, x dot account. Okay. So then you can say match applicant. I would say with bank account equals bank account apply. Oh, I'm so smart. You see that? Okay. Up here you have bank name, holder name, routing, account. I think that's it. But yeah. Okay. Like that. That. Apparently location is not a thing. We don't care about location. For address, do we care about location in here? Is it being used anywhere? Our applicant is already up there. So here we would say applicant with address equals address, like that. That will work out. Bank account. We're not doing it. I feel like I should be able to do this. I feel like that should be going. Okay. Totally getting there. View models dot. This is register address. It takes your global dot applicant. That didn't work out the way I intended. Do that. It was over here. That also didn't work out the way I intended. Global dot applicant dot value. Okay. Okay. Register bank. I don't know. On submitted, we'll take in vModels register bank. Did I do this right? What's wrong with this? Oh, it needs my applicant. Let's see, global dot applicant dot value. Okay. On submitted, it's not pending review, it's applicant. You can fix that later. I think it's the same thing. Register bank and shoot. For register bank, submit. That will be pending. Okay. So when they submit, that is actually pending review. Pending. And then I guess this is pending dot applicant. And then you say bank account. That. And then when you want to set the applicant, I would assume that we just say I don't know, to be safe, we'll just say global dot applicant dot value equals pending dot applicant. That looks weird, right? Or shouldn't it be called global dot set applicant? Hold up. Yeah. Something like that, which we already do in the line below. Okay. And it looks like all the errors are resolved. "56 files were updated." Edit partial support for registering applicant address and bank account. Okay. Hey, second observer. Okay. That's it. That's all I really wanted to accomplish for today. Actually, I see that right there. You, my friend, you can go somewhere. What up? And then you, my friend over here, you can go right here. Come here, like that. Okay. We look good over here. Get rid of you. Come here. Huh? We look good over here. Come here. You. We look good over here. Go. And then general page, we look good over here. Go. XAML, go. Register bank, go. Register address, go. And then this is specific. This is commented out because of being offline, being disconnected from the internet. Huge amount of imports. Go. Okay, yeah, that stuff doesn't matter. Go. That doesn't matter. Go. Go. All right. I think I'm good for right now. So check this to say formatting. Hit, push, go. Oh, and out. All right. See ya. Peace. I'm leaving.